Hello, buddies. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we will do some of the chart analysis as well as uh, we will review my positions in the market. Also, now commodity market trading is going on, so it's up and live. If you have any doubts, you can ask the questions on that as well. Let's see what's happening. So, if you're new to my channel, just subscribe and give a like to this video and share this to your friends. Let start our analysis on Nifty first. So what happened today? So these are our indicators. So leave this one. First we'll see the price action. So due to the war, got capped down 500 points and went up 300 points. From there again 500 points. It came down, and it happened to be a fake breakout here. So most of the traders would have entered here after the day's low has broken, or some people would have entered here as well. So whatever it is, the trade got reversed. Okay, so that's how the things happens when you are doing when major event is happening. So it's better to wait for the major event to finish and then you can enter into the trade, because we definitely don't know what is happening around, and there are a lot of things are going on. And moreover, today the India VIX got shoot up by 25%. So all the option premiums were shoot up, and I think even the premium decay of today's expiry wouldn't have happened as expected. So most of the expiry happened in the last half an hour or 40 minutes. So in that also a lot of people would have lose something, even the option sellers or option buyer, whoever it is. Uh, the market was chopping both the sides. So now let's analyze what is going to happen in this Nifty. So I think I've already drawn all the things. So that was my expectations when I have taken the trade in the Nifty. Usually these are the things. So I think these two lines we just drawn now, right? So I can remove this. So in weekly chart, I was expecting the Nifty to stay in this zone. Once this zone is broken, then I'm expecting it to go to the below level of this, or else up to this level it can go. Okay, so that is my expectation, because market will always fill the gaps, and if you see here, the gap is there, right, in between these places. So maybe this gap will be filled. That is my only expectation. So nothing much. So I'm not expecting that to go below this. If it is goes, then we need to adjust our position accordingly, or we need to square up the positions and start a new trade. As of now, what are the things I have taken that is in profit, so no need to worry about it. And if you see now, this is the zone, and these are the zones I have drawn before these things, the Trump announcement, trade deal announcement, all these things happen. So I was expecting the market to reach to this level on Feb last trading session, because I was expecting that to reach this level, so that the people, those who taken the position ahead of the budget, can make the good profit. Because if you see, this is the budget day candle and it finished exactly at this place, correct? So I was expecting the same. uh, I thought the market will end here, but unfortunately it ended somewhere near this place. During the expiry it ended here, but whatever it is, the during the uh, budget, whoever has taken the position at this level, so once the market open, people will tend to take the positions, right? So that would have been around 25,500 short straddle. Most of the option sellers will have would have taken that. So on the day of expiry, it almost got ended up at this place, that is 25,400. So put option, all the premium would have come to zero, and here only 100 rupees. So almost the maximum of the return they would have got in case if you would have stayed in the short straddle for the entire month. But if you see here, from here it all went all the way up here due to that trade deal. From there again it came to this places and this places. So a lot of things happen, but I was expecting the market should come here, because whenever these kind of oscillations will happen, market tends to end up in the same place again, because just want to make the profit. Okay, so whoever the institutions are playing, obviously they want to make the profit, and that is the reason why the market always end up nearly to the place where it started for the month or 2 months once, because based on the open interest you can calculate all those things. Those people needs to make the profit, that's why they are in the market, else they would have go to some other market. So now these are my analysis, but the thing is I have taken the position for June, because I'm expecting the market to stay in this level, because if you see here, already here triple top was formed in this place exactly at 26,332, and from there there is the third time the rejection, and this time the rejection is very huge. So I don't know, in case the breakout is going to happen, that is going to be very huge, and the market can go up to this level downside. So further 6% or 7% fall may happen. So everything is like, if it is going to break this level and gonna give the close, then you can expect the market to go another 2000 point or 6% or 7% down. That is the thing I'm expecting from the market. So if in case if it is going to take good support here, then there's a chances that market will reverse or market will consolidate in this space for some time, and based on the news or the political tension around the world, it may come down to this level. Let's see what's gonna happen. And today, as you see, the India VIX 25% up, and because of that, option premium got suit up. So today, if you have taken option positions, then whenever the VIX is going to get cooled, you will get a good profit. So that's the thing. So Bank Nifty, I'm not seeing that nowadays, because banking stocks are easily can be manipulated, and moreover, only the monthly expiry is there. So it is a little risky to take the positions based on the monthly expiry, and for the hedging also we need to pay the huge amount. So usually nowadays I'm not doing those things. Only Nifty I'm concentrating, or else stock specific trades I am taking based on the chart patterns or analysis I am taking on. Okay, so now all these things are done. Almost all the gaps were filled, and the budget day low also touched today, and from there the market got recovered. Okay, so today market opened almost 550 point down, and from there almost 200 to 300 points recovery happened, and then again 100 points down in the last half an hour. So that's all about the Nifty. Let's see what is going to happen in this one, F&O, and other stocks, and what other patterns it is giving. So the first stock which we are going to see is Aarti Industries. So here the breakout and everything has already happened. So there's even if we have drawn this picture, we couldn't able to capture this move, because it's just a gap up, and here there is not a good breakout also. So maybe it's like without even the breakout you can enter if you are that kind of aggressive trader, because the breakout itself is, it didn't happen here, and moreover the candlestick pattern which you are seeing here is referring to the downtrend. So whenever this kind of pattern is forming, mostly that will be a downtrend. But here this is totally uh, insane. Like it just went from 360 to 460. I think within a week of time. So obviously that is not our usual setup. So we'll not take any trades in this kind of things. Even here, the after the breakout happened, I would have waited till this place to give a good breakout. So this trend line breakout I won't consider. So trend line breakout is like a trigger for me. So I just go and see what is happening. So once this line is broken and it formed one higher high, then only I'll be looking for the opportunities. And straight away from here it went to here, so obviously I've not entered in those kind of stocks after that this kind of breakout happened. And the next one is ABB, and here also, so this one was drawn long before, so no need to worry about this. So here the breakout happened, it came till here, so the target would have been like this side of the triangle will be my target in case if I would have taken this trade. And as expected, after the breakout it reached almost this level, so this should be your target. Once the target hit, you should come out. If you're waiting, then that's not gonna do any good to you. And we'll see the next one. This is ABC about India. So no trade in this, so it's keep on going down even in weekly chart. It's a clear downtrend. And yeah, actually this was acting as a good support for the stock for a long period of time. But I'm not okay with this setup because I would definitely have not put any money in this stock now. It may go to the top level again, but it is very difficult to finalize this because here you can see the amount how it went. I so this is like very gradually it went to this level, but here it clearly shows it is a downtrend. There is no good volume, nothing. It's just going from here. It started to come down, down, down. There is no proper pullback or no consolidations. Keep on coming down. So that is not good to be in this stock. If maybe if you're a risk taker, one or two quantities you can buy, so that, but that one or two quantities will cost you more, like 54,000 you need to put on the table. So that's not the worth. So we can avoid this stock. And Aditya Capital's already went high, so no need to discuss any of these things. So here I think it's formed the double bottom and from, but sorry, double top in this place. From there, the target was given, attained, and yeah, so almost it reached the levels which we expected. But I haven't bought this, so I just missed all these stocks. The drawing and every target, everything is there, but I already missed everything. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so this one, Aditya Birla Fashion, clear double top, and now it is forming. Uh, Neckline breakout is gonna happen. Maybe the stock is not going to be like zero, because maybe it will come to this level, or from here it can take the support and go to the higher level again. So now it is at 66, so it has all the potential to reach 120. So I think this could be our accumulation zone, because I'm not seeing any valid point that the stock should come down. We will see. Maybe I can buy one or two stocks at this level, 10 to 20 stocks like that. I will not put more amount in the stock now. So because in case if the stock is going to get corrected, so if I'm buying here and the stock is going to come to this level or this level, then I should have some money to average it. So maybe I will buy one or two stocks now to keep it in my track list, because if I add it into my watch list, most of the time I'm forgetting it. Maybe if it isn't holding, because it's just 65 rupees, so if that isn't holding, whenever the amount is getting reduced, okay, I'll remember whenever I'm rechecking my portfolio. And it is very easy to monitor the stocks. Maybe I'll buy one or two whenever it is getting down. And ACC limited as usual, so that kind of double top it formed and it has given the breakout in the monthly candle. Let's see when it comes to 1000 or something, then we will see. And this is Adani Enterprises, nothing to discuss, just leave this talk. Adani Ports in monthly, I'm not seeing any pattern. Even in weekly, I think nothing will be there because in monthly itself, nothing is there, then weekly also, nothing is there. So usually I tend to see what other things are giving, a good channel pattern or triangle pattern. So that will give you more trending stocks. And Alchem Laboratories, nothing is there. Ambuja Cement, no, nothing is there. I think for this Apollo Hospital, I have already given you the analysis in my YouTube shorts as well as in Anderson, sorry, Instagram. So you can refer that. And even today, you see, it's just a 30 rupees loss. Even after the war broke out and everything was happening, it's just a 30 rupees loss. I don't think so will cause much losses. So there is a lot of chances that it will break this level and go further high. That's what I'm expecting. I haven't started any trade in this because I've taken one trade in TCS thinking that it will go down. I suspected went down, but again it got reversed back, and now the positions are in little loss. So I need to be very careful with that. So I'm expecting the TCS to go down in the month of March, another 1 or 2%. So if it goes down, then I need to book the profit, or else if it is go very wrong, then I need to do the adjustments and other things need to be done. So I'm just keeping that trade, and that's the reason why I'm not investing in any other stock specific things. And Apollo tires, oh, nothing, it's full downtrend. Asok Leyland, oh my god, I think today again I missed that opportunity to accumulate something from here because after that GSD announcement is done, all these stocks were going higher and higher, and I just missed this opportunity. Maybe I need to be very careful next time. I should put some alert or something. So Sakti 666, can you do analysis on Wellspun? It's having direct impact on export tariff on textile sector. Yeah, textile stocks. Even I was having KPR mills in my thing. So this, why it is not popping up? Ah, so on day candle, so this gap was filled fine, and why it's resistant? Oh my god. Okay, I think for this stock we need to wait a lot. Weekly candle, monthly. So nothing is there. So this is forming a good pattern here. So mostly when it is gonna form this kind of pattern, it should go high. In case based on the breakout, we need to discuss that. We need to decide that. Sorry. So Wellspun Live. This one we need to wait and see. There is no other way. But you need to be very careful with this. because the stock from here it went high, right? So here it went and low, so high, low, high, and this low is broken, and now it is in consolidation mode and it couldn't able to withstand at this place. At least from here, if this would have given some good breakout, then you might have entered in a trade or you would have invested that. But now that is in consolidation zone, we cannot say anything much. And since this tariff and world war things are going on, we should be very careful with the textile stocks. So you have better stocks than this. So if you want to invest, it's better time to invest in other stocks than this. So maybe after some correction or everything is settled down, then you can put some money in it. Or else if you don't want to miss the opportunity and you are thinking that from here it will go further down and it will reach the higher levels, then it is better to put a little money like one or two stocks you can buy here, like that every month one or two stocks, three stocks like that you can buy. That is the maximum thing you can do, but don't put your money in this because uh, all the textile stocks are not gonna do good for the next 2 to 3 years because the tariff impact will be there, and even they remove the tariff, it will be taking in 2 to 3 years for them to you know manage the losses to meet the break-even point. So we need to be a little careful with this. Even the mills, KPR mills, and other stocks as well. We will see what's gonna happen. But really, if you want to buy in the stock, you need to be a little concern and consider the things like one or two stocks. Don't go more than that. Just buy one or two stocks so that you will forget about it and don't need to worry about much. Okay, that's fine. Because even I bought one stock which went to 50%, but the bad thing is I only bought one stock from that. The quantity is just one, and whatever the price I bought from there, it went 54% high. So if we worry about that, it is not going to work. So we should stick with our strategy. We'll see, always we'll get the opportunity. So when the opportunity is good, that time we can invest. So if you don't have any opportunity, just put that amount in liquid Bs or any any government bonds which is giving 7% or 8% interest, RBI bonds. I am not recommending anyone to go to the other companies' bonds rather than the government bonds, because 7%, 8% interest, if you are getting from the RBI bonds, that's more than enough. Don't need to take the risk because nowadays companies are not doing much good. If the founder is good and is a good person, then yeah, you can put it. Rest of the founders, if you don't know about the founder, better don't go that side. That's for your betterment. And okay, let's see this one. Bandhan Bank and Bank of Baroda. There's a lot of chance that okay, this also already given the breakout, but I didn't notice. Oh my god. Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. Do subscribe and refer my channel to your friends. I do have Instagram page and you can follow that as well. So you can leave your comments there, so it'll be very easy for me to track it. Maybe I can give my Insta ID here. Okay, so the Bandhan Bank already given the breakout, but let's wait for this level to be broken, and maybe after this we can enter. So what this level is, so where it is coming. Actually, I want this zone to be broken off. So this red candle, you see, This one, if it breaks, then it's a bet, good bet to take the things. Else, it's better to wait. And Bank of Baroda, I think it's already has given the good breakout, and for this, I have done the video already. So I'm expecting that to go 330, 350, and 60 levels. So that is based on the Fibonacci retracement. So, but I'll not take any trade based on this. I'll do only the swing trade or the investment. That's it. So I'll not do any trade based on this. My trades will be about always option selling. I don't do option buying because I don't want to take the headache of watching the chart every time and keeping the stop loss, those things. So if I do option selling, it will be better to manage personal and professional life. So that's better. Don't need to see the chart. I'll just keep the alerts when the break even is broken. That's it. So these are the next targets for Bank of Baroda. That's what I'm expecting. And the next stock is Bata India. I think it will be in downtrend. No need to see this stock. Already the sales are going down. I don't know what these people are going to do. Let's see, at least at this level it is going to stop or not. Hmm. It's, this is very pathetic. What a stock it was. But now, what is this? This level is very worst, even below the COVID levels. During COVID, it was almost this place. Even the COVID levels were broken. That means the sales and everything is very pathetic about this stock. So we'll just leave that. This one, okay. Just leave this stock because it's already went and it's finished all the rally. From here, it may go up high, but I'm thinking whether it is worth to take the risk because there are some other stocks which will give the good dividend, PSU stocks, and which is in much more lower rate, which tends to start this kind of rally. We will see. If you want, you can invest one or two. That's the investment strategy should be. So that's how your investment strategy should be. If you want to buy a stock and if you don't want to miss the rally, just put some amount which will not make you tense. Okay, so that you'll be okay with even the losses going. And moreover, don't invest much in any of these stocks. Like your asset allocation should be very good. You should not put or park more money in one stocks. That also you need to be worry about it. How these mutual funds are investing the same way you should divide sector wise, and in the sector wise also you need to divide the stock wise, and you need to invest accordingly. So for that also I have an Excel, so that I will share in the upcoming live sessions or in any of the weekend sessions, so that will be very helpful for the people to understand how to invest and how to benefit from multi asset allocations as well as the sector wise asset allocation. That is better. And okay, let's go to the next one, budget paint. Okay, so this also already drawn. So most of the stocks I was already analyzed, but I missed to capture these momentum since I was busy with some other things. So here I don't consider this as a breakout. So for me here, the good breakout should be below this line. Until otherwise, I'll not enter in the stock. Maybe weekly I can take some positions. I mean, analyzing the weekly chart, I can take some positions. That's all I can do. Nothing much. Okay. Uh, so here, even in weekly, it has not given any closer here. So you can clearly see it is having the zone, and it today also it closed above that. So don't rush to the trade. Just wait for the momentum. Okay, what happened now? I think the network is slow. The network is very slow. So Bharat Forge. Hey, yeah, it's a good one. It has already given the breakout. I think this is the time to enter in the stock with a little quantity. Oh, so this was the one we have drawn 2 years or three when 2021 that time here. So after this breakout, see, after this breakout, it retraced exactly to this level. From here, it went all the way high. So whenever this kind of pattern is forming, you should be very careful as well as you should be very keen about these stocks because that is going to give a good rally in the future. That's what it means whenever you're seeing this kind of patterns. So this is one nice pattern. Whenever this is coming, you just be ready to buy the stock or take the trade. I think here we can take the trade, but this is weekly chart. That's why I'm thinking. Let's see what is happening in the daily. What is happening in the daily? I don't know why this network is this slow. After a long time, I'm coming for live and it couldn't able to hold up the levels or what. Okay, what is happening with the other stocks? Okay, so this Bharat Forge, we can see if any of the retracement is happening. So once the retracement happen, then maybe we can enter into the trade. So this is a weekly chart. So it will take at least 2 months or 3 months to reach to your target. So if you are taking any trade based on that, I won't advise that because your options will, go to zero. So it's better to do some swing trading using this opportunity. Yeah, we will see what's going to happen. So I think this stock this keep on forming this kind of pattern. So here also you can see this kind of channel pattern is formed, and from there it went all the way high. So let's see. So whenever this stock is forming on channel pattern, it will go higher and higher. That is what that means. Okay. Okay, the next one is Bharti Airtel. Actually, this stock was an uptrend and now it is consolidating. Uptrend, I mean, from 2002, it is an uptrend, not the recent time. So, see. So, these and all our analysis. So, this stock is like it will first form a box and it will give a breakout retouch and then it will just blast. This is the stock pattern. So, you can see here it was consolidating in this box for a long period of time and then give a breakout, retrace, and push. Just went all the way high. The same way here as well. Okay, now see whether it is giving a retracement at this level. If it comes to here, 1760, then I think from here it will go further high. And moreover, now we have only two SIMs, which is actively having more customers. One is Geo and another one is Airtel. So obviously, Geo is not in the market yet. So obviously, it is Airtel and Geo is a duopoly, so no one can do anything now. So either of these companies should have more customers and they will get good profit, and they are not only in our country, they are situated in other countries as well. So obviously I think it will go further up. Maybe they will come up with some splitter or something, bonus shares, something like that, so that they can reduce the share price, and they can ask more retail people to invest in that. Since the share price is high, most of the people will be thinking whether to invest or not. So I'm expecting this to come to this level, and from here it will go further high. We'll see. And the next one is, uh, yeah, so this is also some kind of, but I don't like this angle of drawing this kind of channel pattern. Mostly I won't prefer it because this is totally absurd and it is going in some other way. Uh, so most probably I like the channel. I like to trade the channel patterns which are like this. Okay, that will go high. This one will give the breakout down and will come till this level. In case if it's gonna give the breakout here downside, it will come to this level and we need to wait for this level. Either at this place it will take the retracement, or from here it will take the retracement. That's what's gonna happen. Okay. So what I am telling, you just note it down. Definitely, this is what's gonna happen with these stocks. I'm not predicting anything, and because 2 years before, I think 2 to 3 years before I started this, and all my predictions and all my, that is not the prediction actually, that is the data. Using the data, we are giving the analysis. See here, I that time I was telling them this is a double uh, bottom and this is our target. So in case if this one is broken, then the stock will go high. That's what I told them that time, 2 years before, and that time I have drawn this rectangle as well. See, once this is broken, it went all the way high. After that, it never come to this level. So now it is 262. That time it was 93. So it's almost 250% return. So that's how things work. So the thing is, you need to believe in yourself. So after 2 years, I came to live. It's because all these 2 years, all the stocks were going high. We don't see any consolidation, nothing. It's basically a bull market, and in bull market, I don't see much of the investment opportunity because it will be like you are buying it on a higher high, giving them the more prices, and the PE of all the stocks are increasing, but still people are buying it without even considering any of these basic factors. Okay, so doing swing trading is fine, and if you're investing little here and there, that is fine. But I think except IT, none of these uh, stocks were good to invest in the last 2 years because IT hit the all-time high 4,500 at I mean the TCS stock hit all-time high of 4,500 at 2023. From there, it started to crack down, and now it is at the level of 2,500. I'm still waiting that to reach 2,000 level, or so I will be comfortable to buy the stock in a huge quantity at 2000 level. As of now, I'm just planning to buy it one or two quantities. We will see. And my portfolio, I just invested everything in the gold now. I need to re allocate everything to the different assets. Yeah, we will see. When I'm doing that, definitely I will be showing that to you people how to do all these things. So on what basis I'm choosing the stock, and how I'm planning to invest everything. Okay, or how I'm allocating the money sector wise. All these things I will tell you. And okay, this Porsche is nothing. We'll see what is happening with the PBCL. Okay, PBCL, if you are seeing any breakout from this level, I think it's good to enter. So this should be a good closer above this level. Okay, in that case, people may ask why you are not entering in this candle because it's already a good close, and this also you are saying it's a good close. No, you should not see things like that. Okay, so when you are seeing a chart, see, this will be your zone, right? This red, this will be your zone, and after that, here the stock is trying to break this level again and again and again, and it is getting rejected down. So what you need to do, you need to extend this level to till here. Okay, because how you are thinking the same way other people also will think, right? Those who are having huge money, the institutions, so they let the stock to go to this level, so they are expecting some people will come and buy, thinking that there is a breakout. Those aggressive traders will come and buy. Okay, they can sell some quantity at that place, so that's how the things will happen. And now if you see, it just keep on going like this. So if you just increase this, so it will give you a zone. Okay, and downside also this is a zone. So now what these institutions are doing, they are just buying at this level 345. Once it went to this level, they are selling it. That's what they are keep on doing from November to now. Okay, once they decided, okay, now we have enough quantity in the stock, so now we can start to buy it more. That time one little crack will happen, from there it will go high. Okay, so whenever you are entering in a breakout trade, okay, now if you are not waiting for the retracement and if you are waiting for a breakout, then the breakout should be very huge. Okay, at least it should give you a good candle without any wicks like this. Okay, then you can consider, okay, see, these kind of candles should be there. Then you can consider, okay, this is a good kind of breakout, then you can enter. Until otherwise, don't enter. And moreover, here if you see, this was forming a kind of pattern here. Okay, now it has given the breakout and it is it retraced. And here if you see, this is almost July and the breakout happened at this November. So almost 1.5 years, right? So 2025 November. So in the next 1.5 year, the stock may go to this level. That's how you should see the stock. Okay, so to form this pattern, okay, to form this pattern, how much time it took? Here it is July 2024, and here to give the breakout at the neckline. Okay, let's say it has taken till here. That is going to be almost November. Okay, almost 1.5 years that is. Okay, then if you want the stock to reach your target, then again you should be ready to wait for the 1.5 years. Okay, it may go to any level just like that. Okay, based on the market conditions, but the minimum time which is required to reach that is that 1.5 year. Okay, if you keep it like this, then it will reach to 453, 480. Okay, so if you consider this neckline breakout, then it will reach 454. So if you consider this zone breakout, then there's a chances that it will reach 480, 500, these level. Okay, that's how you should see the stock, and when you are doing the investment, that's how you should do. Okay, that is the only way to do the investment. If you just keep on doing it without reading the chart or without doing anything, then that also people will do. But how do you do, how you need to do that is just put little money in that, one or two stocks. That's more than enough. So when you are buying one or two stocks from here, let's say I don't know anything about this stock market, and I just want to buy this BPCL stock now. Okay, what I should do, I should buy one stock at this level. Okay, just one stock. Okay, I'll see after some time if the market is going to come here. Okay, that is a good percentage of uh, fall in the stock, then I can buy it here. Maybe I can buy one more stock here. So when it comes to here, I'll buy one stock. When it comes to here, I'll buy one stock. So I'll be having four stock with me with a good average price. So this one stock that you can increase to two stock also. Okay, here you can buy three stock. Here you can buy four stock. That is based on your risk appetite and what is the money you have in your hand. Okay, you should not compare yourself with anyone, or you should not need to consider anyone. Okay, when you are investing, you don't come to the mindset like I want to make a good profit. So I have 1 lakh now. I know the stock will go high. So now I'll put all the 1 lakh in this stock so that when the market goes, I'll make some good money. No, you should not think that way. Okay, because in case if it goes against you, then you should have some money to average it. Okay, let's say if you are investing, you have 1 lakh, and if you are investing 20K in this, that's actually a huge amount. Okay, because when it comes to this level, you need to put 40K to average it out. Okay, else the average is going to be somewhere here, 340. Okay, but your stock is already here, that is 300. That works out to be how much? Almost 10 to 12% of loss. Okay, so you should not be in that stage. That's why it's very, when you are, when you find a stock, okay, first start with less amount. One is enough. Just buy one quantity, even if it is a 10 rupees stock, just buy one quantity. That's more than enough. Whenever it is going down little to 3 like this. You can pyramiding, so this is the called pyramiding way of investment. Okay, so this kind of pyramiding should be in bear market. Okay, and reverse pyramiding you can do when you are in bull market. Okay, this is for selling or booking the profit, I'm saying. This is for buying the stock at every dip. Okay, hope you understand this concept. Okay, we'll go to the next one. This is Britannia. Okay, Britannia. Good stock, but I'll not prefer this because this pattern is not giving any more of operation or nothing. It's not showing anything. It's just going in this. So maybe if this channel breakout happen and then the immediate resistance will be at this place. And moreover, I don't think so. This can be broken out because if you see here from this dip, it went all the way high here. Here it is kind of a double bottom, and from here the target should be at this. Once the target is reached, then it is doing the consolidation. Okay, there are a lot of things. Maybe from here it will go further high. So until otherwise this zone is broken, either or upside or downside, we cannot decide anything. Okay, let's see anyone commented anything because it's been a long time I didn't see the comment session. Okay, so there is no comment, no views, no likes. Okay, that's fine. Uh, these are my these are for my references and my future analysis. Nothing worry about it. Okay, so here also I've already drawn. I don't even know why I draw this. Okay, it's good to see the chart. What are the things we have already drew? It's going like this. We have already drawn these things, and that's good to see. Okay, so oh my God. So now again to this monthly chart. Okay, I think it's a good time to invest in this stock, Birla Soft Limited. We can check our like in this. We'll see. Okay, Canara Bank. Okay, this is also monthly chart. I think it's a good time to enter in this bank. Okay, we should have entered at this level itself, 125 itself. At least at this month end close, 137 we would have entered, then we would have made good profit by this time. But it's okay, it's good. Now also I think we can enter in this stock unless otherwise this market is not manipulating. Okay, this end I won't draw like that. So whenever you are doing monthly, you should be considering the zone. So this should be the zone. So the zone is broken and it went all the way high. Now one low is formed high. Maybe you can wait. I think the stock from here it will go further high till this level 180 something, and again from there the fall will happen to 140. From again it will go to 200 levels. That is what I am thinking. So to see that 38%, or we need to draw it like this, not from this low, maybe from this. I think this is monthly candle, right? Okay, I think it will take resistance in the 0.5%. Yes. So what will be the 0.5% if we consider this as a high and this as the low? That is this point 120. So 120 to 140. We'll see what is the load is going to be because We will see whether any reversal happened here. So there is no sign of reversal. The nothing. This low was never broken or touched. So when this zone is broken in the weekly and give close, then we can consider that as reversal. Until then, that is not the reversal. There is a lot of potential that the stock may go high from here. Okay, until this zone is not broken and closed down, there is no reversal. The stock from here it will go high. Okay, from there again it can come to this level 140, 150 level. Then it may go high. Okay, we'll see. We'll keep this stock in our watch list, or you can buy one stock now and you can keep it. Okay, so that's it. I think we already been for 1 hour in live. It's better to close now. We will see the rest of the analysis in the next one, and also I'll show my positions, what how the positions are doing. And today, what are the positions I have taken? So this is for June month. I have taken the position, and it is giving a good returns, almost 21%, 21 in the profit. But there is a loss of 5k in TCS position that I need to see how it is going to perform for because just the March month is started. I need to wait for 10 or 15 days. Then I'll see. As of now, you can go with this. Okay. Okay, fine. We will. Okay, we can end up today's live. Tomorrow we'll see the commodity market as well as my positions review and Nifty we'll see. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching this, participating in this live. Uh, let's wind it up. Thank you very much.